Hi friends! Today I'm going to be making Mizu Yokan. Mizu Yokan is a Japanese traditional wagashi made with red bean paste and Kanten. It's a summer dessert, served and it has a melt-in-your-mouth texture. What I love about it is it requires a few ingredients and of course it is delicious. And it's vegan. Let's get started. Mizu means water in Japanese, so this dessert contains more water than traditional yokan. Yokan is a kind of red bean bird. It has a gummy texture and richer in taste. In a medium-sized pot, add Kanten powder along with water. Turn the heat to medium-low and bring it to a boil. Make sure to stir constantly while cooking because the granules of the Kanten will sink to the bottom of the pot and it will not cook evenly. When it comes to a boil, turn down the heat to low. Simmer until the Kanten dissolves completely for a minute. Remove from the heat and add in a pinch of salt. Pour the mixture into a red bean paste, about 3 tablespoons. Stir constantly, making sure the red bean paste is diluted in the Kanten mixture. Continue to mix all the Kanten mixture. Work quickly as you can as the Kanten will set at the room temperature. There are 2 kinds of red bean paste in the market, Tsubuan and Koshian. Koshian is a silky smooth red bean paste. The skin has been removed. Today I'm going to use my Tsubuan, which I made from scratch and I always keep it in my freezer. And it contains polyphenol. It has an antioxidant effect, so it's good for your skin. It depends on your preference which one to choose. If your red bean paste mixture is still hot at this point, put it in an ice bath to chill to room temperature. If you transfer your red bean paste while still hot to the cup or container, the red bean will sink to the bottom and it will make a good texture. So the red bean paste should be at the room temperature before transferring to the cup or container. Let it chill in the refrigerator at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, it's set like this. You can serve the Mizu Yokan in a cup as it is with the spoon, or cut a rectangular shape Mizu Yokan into desired size. You can enjoy the slippery texture of the jelly, and the red bean paste adds a little bit of chew to it, and that makes Mizu Yokan so special. Not overly sweet, but so satisfying, perfect for summer dessert. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!